can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah.
Put your right foot forward, put your left foot out, do the bunny hop, 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 hop.
Hi TSU first graders, welcome back to another day of the Mrs. O Math Show. Yesterday, I taught you a subtraction strategy called Draw a Picture. Today, I'd like to teach you another subtraction strategy called Hop Up on a 120 chart. Let me show you how this works. All right, give me a thumbs up if you remember last week when we were adding on a 120 chart and you jumped like a bunny down a row for each multiple of 10 you were adding. Today's strategy with subtraction is almost the same thing. When we subtract, though, we move up on our number chart because the numbers get smaller when we subtract. The numbers get bigger when we add, so we go down. Let's look at an example. 34 minus 10 equals, well, let's figure that out. So I'm going to find 34 on my 120 chart. There it is. And now I'm only taking away one group of 10, so I only need to hop up one row. Make one hop and I get 24. 34 minus 110 is 24. Let's look at 34 minus 20. So again, I'm going to start at 34. This time I'm taking away two 10s, so I'm going to make two hops up. 34, one hop, two hop, and we end up at 14. 34 minus 20 is 14. That's all there is to this, first graders. For every multiple of 10 you're subtracting, simply hop up one row. Let's practice some together. First graders, I'd like you to go into today's packet. And remember, today's packet is week 2, day 4. And I want you to go almost to the very back of the packet. And I want you to find the page that looks like this. It's got a picture of a bunny and an arrow pointing up. And we're going to look at this side and solve this first problem together. 60 minus 20. So you can use the chart on your paper. To help us see, I'm going to use my chart right here. So in the problem 60 minus 20, which number do I start on? That's right, the number 60. So I'm going to find that here. And I'm taking away 20. How many 10s is that? 2. So I need to make how many hops? 2 hops. Here we go. 1, 2, and I end up at 40. So 60 minus 20 is 40. Let's look at the next one together. 50 minus 30. Boys and girls, I'd like you to put your pencil on the number we start at. Did you put your pencil at the number 50? Now, how many 10s are we taking away? 30 is 3 10s. So how many hops up do we need to do? Did I hear you say 3? That's correct. Let's do our 3 hops. Hop on your paper just like I'm hopping on my chart. 1, 2, 3. 50 minus 30 is 20. Let's try one more together. We're going to look at 90 minus 60. Boys and girls, I'd like you to do that one on your own, and then we'll check your work together. Go ahead and try it now. All right, so did you get the answer 30 like I did? When you start at 90 and make 6 hops, you end up on 30. So boys and girls, with this strategy, simply go to your starting number and hop up a row for every multiple of 10 you're subtracting. All right, for independent practice today, I'm going to have you work on this page in your packet, and it's just like the problems we did together using the hopping up on a 120 chart. When that page is finished, flip to the very last page in your packet. It's a spiral review, and what that means is it's going back to work on skills we've learned earlier this school year. We want to keep practicing those so they're always sharp in our minds. So on this last page, I'm going to read the problems for you and then go over the directions just a little bit to help you get started on that. So the first problem on this page says story problem. Lizzie found 7 Easter eggs during the Easter egg hunt. Jack found 5 more. How many Easter eggs did they find in all? And it asks you underneath to draw a picture for that problem. How many eggs would you draw for that problem? Down here is where it says my equation. That's where you write your number sentence and then your answer. Over here, it says subtraction practice. It's giving you some simple subtraction facts for you to solve. Underneath that, patterning. Complete the pattern below. When I look at this pattern, I see flower, butterfly, butterfly. Flower, butterfly, butterfly. What would come next? Would it be a flower or a butterfly? What pattern do you see? And finally, down here it says greater than, less than. Use the correct symbol, that greater than or less than symbol, to show which number is greater than the other. And remember, when we did this in class, we always said the mouth is open to eat the bigger number. So think about which way to draw the greater than or less than symbol as you write that down here. All right, boys and girls, thanks so much for joining me today, and I hope you make the rest of the day great and be awesome, and I'll see you back tomorrow. Bye-bye.
You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah.